Hello, Phoebe.
Tear off the 3M glue gently, stick it on the lock. Find the position of the drawer or the door suitable for installation to ensure that the lock mouth is closely fitted with the surface of the drawer edge. On the top, the edge is consistent with the lock body below, and then close the door of the cabinet. The lock mouth and the lock body are crossed. The door can be easily caught with only a gently pushing the cabinet. The lock is strong and durable. It is easy to open and close. It can provide solid protection. It can be used well.